Students, we will continue with differentiation today. That is, differentiate cos cube cos inverse of x cube. So first of all, let us write, let y equal to cos cube cos inverse of x cube. Now look at this. Suppose cos cube means what? Cos cube x means cos x the whole cube. So we will write this as cos of cos inverse x cube the whole cube. So this is of the form, this if you consider this as x, see here now what is happening here, cos of cos inverse will become 1. So y equal to x cube to the power 3, that is x to the power 9. So now you see we have simplified the given problem. Now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx equal to x raised to n formula 9 into x to the power 8. Is it simple? Yeah, like this only we have to do. Now next sum we will do. Differentiate sin to the power 4 of sin inverse root x. Let y equal to sin to the power 4 of sin inverse root x. Now let us write like this, sin of sin inverse of root x to the power 4. See why sin of sin inverse is 1? Because suppose 5 into 1 upon 5 equal to 1, or 5 into 5 inverse equal to 1. Similar way this will get cancelled. So y equal to square root of x to the power 4. What is that? Square root of x into square root of x into square root of x into square root of x. So y equal to x into x square. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 2x. So very simple. Now we will do another type of sums. Differentiate cos inverse square root of 1 plus cos x upon 2. This is very important. Okay. Now let us see what is 1 plus cos theta formula. 2 cos square theta by 2. Now let y equal to cos inverse square root of 1 plus cos x upon 2. Now listen very carefully, y equal to cos inverse square root of, see what is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x upon 2 upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So you will be getting cos inverse square root of cos square x by 2. What is square root of cos square x? Cos x. So y equal to cos inverse of cos x by 2. Now look at this, cos of cos inverse, it will be 1. Therefore differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 is constant, What is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. Followed or not? This also simple sum. Now next one. Only thing you will have to use some formulas which are very careful. Now differentiate cos inverse square root of 1 minus cos x square upon 2. So let y equal to cos inverse square root of 1 minus cos x square upon 2. What I told you? 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. If it is x, it is x by 2. Okay. Now the same thing will apply here. Cos inverse. What is 1 minus cos x square? See, whatever is here divided by 2. So 2 sin square x square by 2 upon 2. These 2 will get cancelled. So y equal to cos inverse. What we will get here? Square root of sin square x by 2. Sorry, x square by 2. Then taking square root sin x square upon 2. Now what is, now again we will write, what is sin pi by 2 minus theta? Cos theta. Okay. So what is cos pi by 2 minus theta? Sin theta. So sin theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta. So here what is theta? So this I will write cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus x square by 2. So cos will get cancelled. Y equal to pi by 2 minus x square by 2. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to, what is the derivative of constant? 0 minus 1 by 2 into, what is the derivative of x square? 2x. So answer is minus x. Followed or not? Next. Differentiate tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. So as usual what we'll do, we'll take let y equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. Now one formula is there, tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. That means if you have got in this form, you can write tan a minus b. So I am going to write in that form. See, tan inverse. What is tan 45 value? 1. So tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2, because tan pi by 4 is 1. So can I write? Now look at this. This is A. This is B. This is A. This is B. Compare this. So what will write? Y equal to tan inverse. See here, tan A minus B. So y equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. So after simplifying, what we got? The function is y equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, what is the derivative of constant? 0 minus 1 by 2 into, what is the derivative of x? 1. So dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 2. How simple is it? So only thing you should use it. See here, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B form me, we have written this. That's all. So we are able to write tan A minus B. So tan inverse tan will get cancelled. So we will be getting this. You will get simple function for differentiation. Now we will do two more sums. Differentiate cot inverse sin 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. As I told you, what you will write? First of all, you will write let y equal to cot inverse sin 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Okay, now I have written like this. Now, what is sin 2x formula? 2 sin x into cos x. If it is 2x, it is 1x. That means here 2x means it is 2x divided by 2. That means sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now here I will write cot inverse, see 2 sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 upon, what is 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So this is here 2 sin square 3 by 2. Followed or not? What I did? Sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. I used it. That is 2 sin 3x upon 2 into cos 3x upon 2. And here 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 get cancel. Here sin 3x by 2, here sin 3x by 2 into sin 3x by 2. If you want, I will write sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 upon sin 3x by 2 into sin 3x by 2, right? Because it is a square. Cancel. What is cos upon sin? Cot. Cot 3x upon 2. Now you see cot inverse of cot. Cancel. So y equal to 3x upon 2. So differentiating with respect to Ax, dy by dx equal to 3 by 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1. So the answer is 3 by 2. Is it simple? Yes. Now one more problem we will do. Differentiate tan inverse 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Now look at this. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. These are the two formulas which you are going to apply here. Let y equal to tan inverse 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. So y equal to tan inverse, apply this, 2 cos square x by 2 upon 2 sin square x by 2. So 2 to get cancel. So cos square upon sin square, tan square. Sorry, square root is there. Okay. So tan inverse cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2, because square root is there. So what is cos upon sin? Cot. Now listen very carefully. What is tan pi by 2 minus theta? That is cot theta. Now look at this. So this we will write tan inverse tan of pi by 2 minus theta. This will get cancelled. So y equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. See, here we are simplifying only. Okay. So now differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to derivative of constant is 0 minus 1 by 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is how we have to do simplifications. Now that's all. The rest of the things we will see in the next lecture.